Hello, Namaste and Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to ComputerMcqs.com. Today we are going to learn 50 multiple choice questions about computer fundamentals. This is the second part of our previous video. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon too. Let's get started with question number 1. And the question number 1 is a flash memory storage device that plugs into a memory port. Options are USB snap drive, USB flash drive, USB memory maker drive, and none of the above. And the correct answer is option B, USB flash drive. Which electronic component was concerned for emerging the third generation computer? Options are vacuum tube, IC, transistor, and VLSI. And the correct answer is option B, IC. The output quality of a printer is measured by, options are dot per square inch, dot per inch, dots printed per inch, all of the above. And the correct answer is option B, dot per inch. Which of the following was a special purpose computer? Options are ABC, ENIAC, EDVAC, all of the above. And the correct answer is option A, ABC. ABC was a special purpose computer. Which computer falls on the basic model? Options are microcomputer, analog computer, IMB computer, XT computer. And the correct answer is option D, XT computer. Which of the following is not an input device? Options are keyboard, speaker, mouse, and microphone. And the correct answer is option B, speaker. Speaker is not an input device, it is output device. The monitor has a maximum resolution of 1024 x 768. Options are SXGA, XGA, SVGA, and UXGA. And the correct answer is option B, XGA. What was the computer invented by Adanasoft and Clifford? Options are Mark I, ABC, G3, none of the above. And the correct answer is option B, ABC. Which of the following storage device can store maximum amount of data? Options are floppy disk, hard disk, compact disk, magneto-optic disk. And the correct answer is option B, hard disk. Which of the following printer is slower than dot matrix printer but better in quality? Options are line printer, daisy wheel printer, laser printer, inkjet printer. And the correct answer is option D, inkjet printer. A major category of software is, options are application software, system software, both of above, none of the above. And the correct answer is option C, both of above. Application software and system software are the two major category of software. Which one of the following is error correction technique? Options are linear block codes, conventional code, Hamming code, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. All of the above are the error correction techniques. Which computer considered the first electronic computer until 1973 when code invalidated the patent? Options are ENIAC, Mark I, G3, ABC. And the correct answer is option A, ENIAC. A physical connection between the microprocessor memory and other parts of the microcomputer known as, options are path, address bus, root, all of the above. And the correct answer is option B, address bus. The BIOS, the abbreviation of, or what is the full form of BIOS? Options are basic input output system, based input output system, basic input output symbol, base input output system. And the correct answer is option A, basic input output system. Which generation of computer is covered by the period 1964 to 1977? Options are first, second, third and fourth. And the correct answer is option C, third generation. A DOM terminal is, options are an embedded microprocessor, extensive memory, independent processing, a keyboard and screen. And the correct answer is option D, a keyboard and screen. Multi-user systems provides cost saving for small business because they use a signal processing unit to link several. Options are personal computers, workstations, DOM terminals, mainframe. And the correct answer is option C, DOM terminals. High density double-sided floppy disk could store of data. Options are 1.40 MB, 1.44 GB, 1.40 GB, 1.44 MB. And the correct answer is option D, 1.44 MB. A high quality CAD system uses the following for printing, drawing and graphs. Options are dot matrix printer, digital plotter, linen printer, all of the above. And the correct answer is option B, digital plotter. In which language is source program written? Options are English, symbolic, high level, temporary. And the correct answer is option C, high level. Which printer is very commonly used for desktop publishing? Options are laser printer, inkjet printer, drum printer and chain printer. And the correct answer is option A, laser printer. Which of the following is not an input device? Options are OCR, optical scanner, voice recognition device, COM, computer output to microfilm. And the correct answer is option D, COM or computer output to microfilm. The accuracy of the floating point numbers responsible in two 16-bit words of a computer is approximately. Options are 16 digit, 6 digit, 9 digit, all of the above. And the correct answer is option B, 6 digit. Which of the following magazines cover only the IBM PC and compatibles? Options are Byte, PC Magazine, Personal Computing, Interface Age. And the correct answer is option B, PC Magazine. Which of the following register is used to keep track of address of the memory location pointed by the PC? Options are Memory Address Register, Memory Data Register, Instruction Register, Program Counter. And the correct answer is option D, Program Counter. Tape speed is measured in. Options are feet per second, inch per second, meter per second, centimeter per second. And the correct answer is option B, inch per second. In most IBM PCs, the CPU, the device drivers, memory expansion slots and active component are mounted on a single board. What is the name of the board? Options are motherboard, daughterboard, breadboard, fatherboard. And the correct answer is option A, motherboard. Magnetic disks are the most popular medium for. Options are direct access, sequential access, both of above, none of the above. And the correct answer is option C, both of the above. Magnetic disks are the most popular medium for direct access and sequential access. Third generation computers were the first to use integrated circuitry, were the first to use built-in error detecting devices, use transistor instead of vacuum tubes, all of the above. And the correct answer is option A, were the first to use integrated circuitry. The retrieval of information from the computer is defined as. Options are a collection of data, data retrieval operation, output, data output collection. And the correct answer is option C, output. Which one is email address? The correct answer is option C, joysmart@buildme.com. A technique used by codes to convert an analog signal to digital bit stream is known as. Options are pulse code modulation, pulse tracer, query processing, queue management, and the correct answer is option A, pulse code modulation. Regarding a video, which statement is more correct? Options are it is an output device, it is an input device, it is a peripheral device, it is a hardware item, and the correct answer is option C, it is a peripheral device. The difference between copying a file and moving a file is. Options are nothing, they are exactly the same. Copying the file destroys the original, moving does not destroy anything. When you copy a file, you end up with 2 copies. All of the above, and the correct answer is option C. When you copy a file, you end up with 2 copies. Hardware security includes. Options are regular maintenance, use of power regular device, both A and B, none of the above, and the correct answer is option C, both A and B, regular maintenance and use of power regular device. Controls the way in which the computer system functions and provides a means by which user can interact with the computer. Options are the platform, application software, operating system, the motherboard, and the correct answer is option C, operating system. A modern electronic computer is a machine that is meant for. Options are doing quick mathematical calculation, input storage manipulation and outputting of data, electronic data processing, performing repetitive tasks accurately, and the correct answer is option B, inputs, storage, manipulation and outputting of data. When was vacuum tube invented? And the correct answer is option B, 1904. Which natural element is the primary ingredient in computer chip? Options are silicon, iron, carbon, and uranium. And the correct answer is option A, silicon. What will be the hexadecimal equivalent of decimal number 54977? Options are D6C1, DC61, D6C5, none of the above, and the correct answer is option A, D6C1. In which generation did magnetic disk started being used for storage? Options are first generation computer, second generation computer, third generation computer, and fourth generation computer. The correct answer is option C, third generation computer. Which of the following produces the best quality graphics reproduction? Options are laser printer, inkjet printer, plotter, dot matrix printer, and the correct answer is option C, plotter. Computers with 80286 microprocessor is. Options are XT computer, AT computers, PS2 computers, and none of the above, and the correct answer is option B, AT computers. XEROX PARC is important because options are it was where XEROX invented the first computer, it leads to the development of GUIs, it leads to the development of laser printer, it leads to the first Apple computer, and the correct answer is option B, it leads to the development of GUIs. When was the Apple Macintosh 2 introduced in the market? And the correct answer is option C, 1983. The type of software that can store, update, manipulate and retrieve data is called. Options are desktop publishing, spreadsheet, database management, graphics, and the correct answer is option C, database management system or DBMS. An application suitable for sequential processing is. Options are processing of grades, payroll processing, both A and B, all of the above, and the correct answer is option C, both A and B. Which of the following is not processing? Options are arranging, manipulating, calculating, and gathering. The correct answer is option D, gathering. Gathering is not processing. Another name of secondary storage is, options are cylinder storage, density, auxiliary storage, and memory. And the correct answer is option C, auxiliary storage. Another name for secondary storage is auxiliary storage. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. We will come with part 3 on next video. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon too. Keep learning, keep growing. Have a good time. Bye bye.